Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall apps on a Lenovo laptop. First, click the Start button and open Settings. In the left sidebar, click Apps, then select Installed Apps. You'll now see a list of all the apps installed on your Lenovo laptop. Find the app you want to remove, then click the three dots next to it. Select Uninstall. A confirmation message will appear. Click Uninstall again to continue. That's it. The app will be removed from your Lenovo laptop. Outro. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.